This is weaving man and nature. It's the land that's being used by man and the land that's not being used by man. And how do you, it's an environmental job, how do you use both of those, or how does that, this piece shows the two of them mixing together. This is the using of land side with Terry Peak, homestake, mining and skiing, farming, logging, and the dams using land, ranching, and then that land weaving and wrapping around the sun, and then the land that's not being used by man. This happens to be Bear Butte and Crow Peak Mountain. I think that's up in the Slim Buttes. A lot of different land formations in South Dakota. Badlands. It all kind of turns into strips of land. This is the use of it over here. And then the weaving of it together.